your help. I place all the product links in the description. The Makita XBU02PT36V 18VX2 LXT Brushless Blower Kit 5.0 is a powerful and efficient tool that is designed to make cleaning and maintaining your outdoor spaces much easier. With a brushless motor that delivers up to 120 mph of air velocity and 473 cfm of air volume, this blower can move even the heaviest debris with ease. One of the standout features of this blower is its dual battery system, which utilizes two 18V LXT batteries to power the 36V motor. This allows for longer run time and faster charging times, ensuring that you can get more work done in less time. The included 5.0 batteries are also compatible with a wide range of other Makita tools, making it easy to swap out batteries and keep your tools running all day. Also features a variable speed trigger and cruise control function, giving you complete control over the airflow and allowing you to work at a comfortable pace. The blower is also designed with a compact and ergonomic handle, making it easy to maneuver and reducing operator fatigue. In addition to its power and performance, it's designed with durability in mind. The brushless motor is engineered for long life and requires less maintenance, while the housing and nozzle are both made of high-quality materials that can withstand heavy use in harsh outdoor conditions. The blower is also backed by Makita's 3-year warranty, giving you peace of mind, knowing that your investment is protected. A wide range of outdoor applications, from blowing leaves and debris off of driveways and sidewalks to cleaning up after landscaping projects. Its powerful motor and variable speed controls make it suitable for use in large commercial settings, while its compact size and ease of use make it perfect for homeowners and DE enthusiasts. Overall, whether you're a professional landscaper or a homeowner looking for an easier way to keep your outdoor spaces clean, this blower is sure to impress. With its dual battery system, variable speed controls, and durable design, the Makita XBU02PT is a must-have for anyone who values quality and performance in their outdoor tools.